Okay, you guys, today's video I am so excited for. I've been wanting to do a video like this for quite some time. It is kind of just like a snow bunny makeup tutorial, and I know that sounds kind of weird. I haven't seen many like it, or really anything like it on YouTube. But it's just like, I'm gonna put some images like boom, 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 boom. Just to kind of give you an idea of what I'm talking about. But it's just like the look of cute girls like skiing and like in the snowy weather. And I've just been back from Jersey where it was snowing, and I felt super inspired to do it. And I just love like the frosty like lightness of it all. It's something that's completely different from what I would normally do. I normally try to make myself look really bronzy and very like flushed. So I think it'll just be interesting to see what I come up with. It's gonna be kind of like chit-chatty. So yeah, let's just get into it. I'm gonna try to create one of these looks. So yeah, I already have on foundation. Let's move on to, so I'm gonna put on a bit of bronzer because I think that this look will look better if I have like tan skin. It's just gonna make the white of everything pop more. And you do still get a tan when you're like skiing, because I actually got a sunburn when I went skiing because the sun reflects up off the snow like twice as hard. It's like being underwater. So yeah, just applying some bronzer. And I think your skin, like, I mean, your nose and your cheeks turn really pink when you are out in the sunshine. So I'm also gonna be emulating that look with some heavy blush and the same brush. If you guys have questions about any of these products, just comment down below. I'm gonna kind of create that sunburned look by focusing it like that, and I'm gonna kind of bring it down my cheeks as well. That's pretty much the face done. So essentially my plan for today is to do a white eyeshadow look, which I've never attempted before, and it should be very interesting. It's gonna be fun though. I'm gonna be using my Carly Bible palette and my NYX Smoky Eye palette because this is the whitest eyeshadow that I have. But going in as a base, I'm gonna take my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. This one's actually brand new. I'm gonna be applying that to my eyeball. Kind of applying it all over. And in the inner corner, and of course beneath the brow. And I'm gonna blend it out with a blending brush, of course. I definitely like this shape, so that's what I'm gonna try to emulate. I was just kind of messing around a little bit before. I didn't really know what I was doing. So I'm gonna try to emulate that on the other side. Don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so now I'm just gonna use my finger to blend out the inner corner. Now I'm gonna take a separate brush and I'm gonna set that with a sparkly white eyeshadow from my Carly Bible palette just on the inner corner, and it's gonna be intense. Fun. Okay, now I'm gonna take a transitional kind of cream color and start building up my crease only a bit. I don't really want too much of a crease, only a little bit, just to create a bit of definition. I'm gonna brush away all of my excess powder, and then I'm gonna take the same jumbo stick and put that in my waterline. And now I'm gonna do some mascara, just on my top lashes, and I'm gonna make it a dark brown. Like so, and then I'm literally gonna take the jumbo pencil and put it on my lashes on the bottom to kind of really brighten up my bottom lash line. All right, and now I'm gonna go in with some lips gloss. What am I saying? I'm gonna go in with a liquid lipstick. This one is in the shade Boss from Bare Minerals, and it's just a lighter lipstick than I would normally use. I'm not gonna use a lot either. And then I got this lip gloss from Essence, and it's like a sparkly white gloss. I love it. Oh my gosh, you know what I feel like? What is that movie? Oh my gosh, I can't remember the name. Is it like Ice Princess? I don't know. It's like an ice skating movie from Disney. That's exactly what I feel like. I'm gonna put a picture of it right here. This lip gloss is gorgeous though. I wish you guys could like, I hope it picks up on camera how pretty it is. This is like $3 too. That's ridiculous. And then just to really top this look off, because I'm super extra. Oh my gosh, where is it? I can't see. I'm gonna take my Bare Minerals eyeshadow and use that to highlight essentially my entire face. So, highlighting brush. The shade is extremely sparkly. It's technically an eyeshadow, but I love to use it as a really dramatic highlight. Oh my gosh, I feel like a little snow princess. How fun. Okay, this is like a super random video. I just really wanted to try and play around with white eyeshadow because I just felt like it, and this is the look that I came up with. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and be sure to hit the bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.